The exercise began with a warm-up, which didn't feel much like a warm-up because it hurts a lot.
Papa team,
Then we proceed to a series of exercises that was really hard. Anyway, let me explain the Army doesn't. It's a routine made of 12 different exercises. Each exercise has 12 military counts. And finally, the 12 routines are repeated 12 times. Imagine how painful it feels into our body. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, here are the College of Criminology. Sit back and enjoy.
Thank you,
Papa Team.
Where is Melai?
One exercise.
Twinkle, twinkle. When you call twinkle, twinkle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Attention! Our exercises are walk, 4 counts and 10 computation. What's the one cadence? One exercise. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2,
Ito may tawag na
1, 2, 3,
May tawag na
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5,
walking in the air.
1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1.
Ano na ilang counting? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Exercises.
Oh, military count.
What's command cadence?
One exercise.
Exercise.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6, counting.
1, 2, 3, 7.
Military ba sa una? 3, 10, Ako ang ilang news. Wow.
4 counts and 10 computation. What's command cadence? One
Exercise.
Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1,
Then I subo-subo.
1, 2, 3, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 10. 10 ulit ang ito. Yung favorite number.
Exercise is beginner. 4 counts and 10 computation. What's command cadence?
Exercise.
Exercise. 1,
2, 3, 1, 2. Ano ulit pumping? Wala ginawa ng pumping.
1, 2, 3, 1.
Lamig mo pang pang-leader. Wala na sa concentration, ha?
Exercises. Bomber.
Bam daw, bomber!
4 counts and 10 computation. What's command cadence?
Combined exercise.
Exercise. 1, 2,
Ay! Basiyan sa pumping.
1, 2, 3.
With matching pushing.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, lamig mo pang pang-leader. Siniblogan ka ng sermon ha, wala pa ganyan. Oh, sinamilihan siya. Si Dean.
Our next exercise is beginner.
Dean Elaine,
4 counts and 10 computation.
kabasahan niyo sa inyong t-shirt.
One exercise. Exercise.
Nag-click na lang ang tapo na may anak. Masindig na kumain sa up-down.
Attention!
Ay, gidali na nila gumal.
Next exercise is squat thrust.
Ay, squat thrust, ginahan ko na. Ikunit na ako.
Then competition.
Oh, squat thrust.
Mas kumakinig.
Command exercise. Oh, lapit to na.
Exercise.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 3, 1, 2. Ano, kita niniwa? Ay, isa kayo natumbahan na yun. Ang dahil ko nitong babae. Nabugatan sa yung lawas. Punishment din nila field demonstration. Punishment.
Our exercise is mountain climbing. 4 counts on 10 competition. Mas kumakinig. Start exercise. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ang mga